Okay, how are you everybody? Today I'm gonna show you how to weld bronze with MIG. Bronze MIG welding. Make sure you set everything perfectly before you start welding. That's why we are going to the machine beam. Check at your floor. Argon floor. We are setting 15 to 20. That's an average. Remember, your current must be also 25 to 30. Voltage 15 to 16. It's a good voltage. So I'm going to show you how you weld it. Check about it. Then you wire brush it and see what you have done. This is a rod for cone. So I just wanted you to know that it's weldable. Very nice, smooth, full rod. Then I'll show you how we cut it in a lathe machine and see the byproduct, the last product. Thank you.